Everybody, today we are going to be working on my Weedeater and replacing the head with one that I found off of Amazon, which I had to order twice because the first one didn't have all the parts in it. So this is a Arnold replacement head assembly. It says for Troy Bilt, Craftsman, Homelight, John Deere, Ryobi, Boland's, Yardman, and Ryan. The part number is 490-060-00006, and I bought this because one of the reviews actually mentioned the Weedeater that I have, and my head assembly is no longer spooling wire out. And this is a Toro, where is it? This is a Troy TB32EC. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get this old head off, get the new head on, and then we will see if it actually feeds the way that it should. Now I'm not sure how this head comes off, but we will figure it out, and I will let y'all know what I come up with. I'm thinking that it's probably just removing that clip and then the head probably comes off, but that's not always as easy as what it seems. So let me get my screwdriver or whatever, let's prod it off, and let's see if the head assembly comes off. See what we can make shake here. And the new kit comes with the new one, so it shouldn't matter if we destroy the old one, which I'm sure you probably have to destroy it to get it off anyway. Try not to stab yourself. Whoa. And if y'all have any tips on how to get this off faster, or even if you have a tip on how to get it off without damaging it, please leave it in the comments, or leave the link to the video in the comments on how to get this piece off easier. Tips and tricks are always welcome. So will this just come off? Everything's a hammer. Nope, doesn't seem like it. It seems like it should just come off. Is it moving? Yep. Alright, so that comes off, and got about 6-7 years of miscellaneous grass and weeds and whatever else is on here. I got something for that. Light work. Oh, it's all up the shaft. Alright, so it may run a little bit better. And then oh, that's not in there. So I'm going to guess the way that came apart, we're going to put this on. The old one has a hex head, the new one has a hex head. So let's slide this on. And it fits, but it is a tight fit. Everything's a hammer. Yeah, I guess that's all the way. I'm going to guess that that is all the way seated. Where did that stink bug come from? But I think this is all the way seated, so we should be good to go there. And then I'm going to guess that this will go on next. You know what, let me see if I can find a socket that fits over this, because that will probably be the easiest route to take. So that way it will just go on. Again, everything's a hammer. Do I have a deeper socket? All right, there we go. All right, that's good and tight. And then from there, I'm only going to assume that, like normal, like so, I'm going to guess that the spring, and then I have another 2 of these in here, and I'm not really sure why. Is this going to hold the spring in? Maybe. I'm taking wild guesses here, so if y'all actually know the answer, oh nope, they can't hold the spring because, all right, so where's the spring at here? Okay, so the spring should go in here. So what is that lock? What are these 2 extra whatchamacallit for? So next we're going to take the spring and we're going to put it in the inside so it looks exactly how the old one looked, twinsies. And then this should, of course, we're going to feed the line through the head. And then you are going to install like normal. And then we also have the bottom nut. And then that will install like so. And there we go. I mean, that was way more simple than what I thought. The only disadvantage that I see is that where it connects to the shaft, it no longer has like this piece here, that little extension. I take it that extension was designed to keep the grass and stuff out of the shaft from going into this part, so the new one doesn't have it. But you know, you give and you take on things in life, so I guess I'm just gonna have to pay more attention to it and just clean it out, because I don't want it getting up in the gears. I don't know if it can, but either way it go, I don't want it to. So if you do have a Toro TB32EC, this Arnold 490-060-0006 definitely fixed. It looks like the exact same O-ring replacement. It's just that it doesn't have the little extension piece on the head. Comes with a little bit of wire. Everything seems to be high quality. I guess time will just tell. So I will have the Amazon link in the description, and if I can find an eBay link, I will put that in the description as well. So if you need one of these, it does indeed fit the Toro TB32EC. So like everything that you do, think, build, and enjoy. Peace.